My name is Komal Kuduvalli. I work as research staff here at the FCMF under the guidance of Dr. Uday Vaidya, and also at the Oak Ridge National Lab under the guidance of Dr. Soidan Oskin. My background is mainly in sustainability, so that's kind of where my focus lies in a lot of the projects that we get through UT, Oak Ridge, and IACMI. And so I help evaluate the embodied energy of various products and processes, and also perform LCAs, or life cycle assessments, from the cradle to grave of various supply chains. This summer, we have seen a peak in the number of projects we've taken up, and especially with help from some of the IACMI interns, Georgiana Blue and Haley Coughlin have been helping me over the summer. We're able to kind of delve deeper into these projects and understand more of each aspect, and so that's been really helpful. For the composting project, we are looking at 3 different samples, one of which has been compression molded, one of which is 100% recycled and then compression molded, and finally 3D printed. And all of these samples comprise of bamboo PLA, or polylactic acid, which is derived from corn. And so being completely bio-based, you're allowed to throw it into a composting facility to see how it degrades. And that's one of the goals of the project, to figure out the rate of degradation of these samples and see how each one differs within the timeline.
Kamal has taught me everything I know about LCAs, life cycle assessments. I didn't really know anything about them until I applied for this internship, and I still have a very sort of nebulous understanding of them. So just learning more about them, how to use the programs that she uses to really get into the nitty-gritty of the impact that a product has throughout its entire life.
This project is still novel, I guess, in its ideology, and so there's still a lot of scope for improvement, and we're really looking forward to seeing some of the reactions of people who are not only engineers but also sustainability professionals, economists, and things like that, to really be able to establish the triple bottom line, which is the overlap between people, planet, and profit, which is essentially kind of the gist of sustainability.